Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel, my goal is to motivate, inspire, and encourage you to live your best life to the fullest. I'm dodging the sun here. For those that are tuning in for the first time, I'd like to say welcome to each and every one of you. And for those that are returning and my subscribers, I'd like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. So as you can see from the title, this is a Coastal Inspired Tablescape and Haul. And where would I want to live if I had the option would be San Diego. I went there, our family went there to visit one time and just fell in love, over the hills in love with the place, just sitting on the beach. And I normally don't do heat, but with the coastal winds, the winds blowing, and it just felt so cool and relaxed, I could have just stayed there, you know, but we only had I think we had a day there because we were in another part of California, but we just fell in love with it. But anyway, I'm over here on the east side, and it's totally different. Because they don't have seasons there, and we have the 4 seasons here. But anyway, I just wanted, that kind of inspired me as I began to see the things. Most of the things were from the thrift store. Most things were thrifted from Salvation Army and Habitat Restore. Those are the 2 stores basically that I got a lot of the things from. And if you go to Salvation Army, they have special days that they have special codes. I think when I went, they had they had white, pink, and then green was the color that was 99 cents, everything in the store. And white and pink, anything from clothing or any of the decor was half price. So those are the times that I usually try to stock up on things that I think I'm going to use. If I don't use it now, if I think I'm going to be using later. But I'm going to walk you through and show you what I did there. Then I'm going to show you how I did the tablescape. When I think of that, I think of the blues, coastals. I think of just the natural rattans and the soft wickers, just the softer colors. But maybe like a splash of blue, the darker blue that you see there. So if you are new to this channel or have not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. And also, please give me a thumbs up if you really like this video. Give me your comments. Feel free to share. And give me your comments as to your color theme or how you would change things up or whatever. I'd like to hear. Let me know what part that you like more than others or whatever. Just give me your comments. I like to hear and I like to read your comments, and I do respond to them. All right? So at this time, we are going to get started. Well, starting off with my haul. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be using and the prices as well. This came from Salvation Army. Got it for $2.99. And this is the basket I'm going to use for my centerpiece. I got 7 plates. And the price of these plates was 49 cents. I got 7 of these. I got all they had, basically. I try to get a set of 6 for the most part. I got this gorgeous blue. It's like a cobalt blue base. And the price here was $1.99. Now think about it. When you're going to stores like that, that was for Salvation Army too, you're getting, they have special days. You go there, special days, they'll have like 3 colors. And whatever's that color, 2 colors are half price. And then the last color, which is the green color, tends to be 99 cents. So this vase right here, this candle holder, this was $2.99. But because green was the color that was 99 cents, I got this for 99 cents. I got this from Restore. I think I showed in my other video. This is from Home Goods. I bought 3 packs. And it was regularly $6.99. And I got 3 packs for $1 each. Excellent buy. Excellent buy. Going on, I found these glasses here. And these were 99 cents each. And I didn't mind paying for them. Sometimes you can get these at the Dollar Tree. But it seems like sometimes when I'm looking for something specific, I wanted blue glasses. And they didn't have it. So they had 7 of them. I bought all 7. That was only $7. So that was a good buy. Very good buy. Especially in a time when you really need something. This vase was gifted to me. You can get these. They call them ivory bowls. This was gifted to me. And you can basically pick this up at the Dollar Tree. But to me, it was free. And along with that, of course, you can get these rocks at the Dollar Tree too. But these were gifted to me as well. So I'm going to use those to incorporate those. This is another thing. I like lighthouses, even though this isn't a lighthouse. And what I like about this one, it lights up. And I got this from Anvets a little while ago, so I don't know the price, but I usually don't spend no more than about $3 or something like this. It's like a metal, it's not plastic. And does the door open? Yeah, the door actually opens and it has lights inside. So I like this as well. Now I got one more piece I'm going to show you. This was another haul. I got this from Habitat Restore. I ended up with 4 saucers, 5 bowls, 4 plates, a teapot. I used this on my last video. And also I have 12 cups. And I just love these cups. I got 12 of them. I think 8 of them were shaped like this. And the other 4 were shaped like this. And what I like about these, because they're stackable. But I got all these for $5. This whole box for $5. So it just pays to check out your local thrift store, your Salvation Armies, your Goodwills, your Anvets, and your Habitat Restore. So now I'm going to clean the table and let's get started with decorating. Now the table has been cleaned. The next thing I'm going to do is start with my tablecloth. I do like this lace tablecloth. This is one of my favorites. And I use it a lot on my dining room table, even sometimes over a fabric, just as that dimension. But I'm going to double it here, because this is a small table. These placemats I got from OLLIES, they were $2.99 for 4. And what I do like about them, I'm going to be using the lighter side. It has a lighter side and a darker side. I think this side I use more for patriotic. This is more of the coastal look that I'm actually looking for. But for $2.99 at OLLIES, I was able to get 4. Came in a pack for $2.99. Next are going to be these beautiful chargers. I've used these before. I got these from Home Goods. There were 4 for $19.99. And what I like about them, they do have the medium colored. This is like a rattan. They also have the darker color, like a bamboo type color. And I opt to get the lighter color when you're thinking about coastal, the West Coast. These are the plates that I thrifted. And these are the saucers that I thrifted as well. Next are cutlery, which is our everyday cutlery. Next, we're going to be adding the blue glasses that I thrifted. Now we have these beautiful napkins. I bought a set of 6 a while back. They were $3.99, and I ended up I got them from Steinmark, and this was the Easter collection, believe it or not. And I ended up getting, was it 60% off of this? This is how I'm choosing to fold this for this particular setting. I'm just going to fold it in thirds. And I had an option of letting the fringe show or not. And I really like the detail of the fringe. So I'm going to slide the napkin holder on this. These were the thrifted napkin holders. Slide it straight to the middle. And I'm going to wrap it right around the plate and the saucer. I should say bread and butter. Bread and butter or dessert on plate. Now here's an overview of how everything is looking so far. I'm going to start now working on the centerpiece. Okay, I'm going to bring in the house. I can see that this is a little crooked, but I'm going to make that work. And this is the other piece here. You're going to go ahead and place the candle here. And these I did pick up at Ross's. And I just think they add just the right touch. And it gives it that coastal feel. And I also like the unique textures. I'll play with it a little bit until I get it like I want it. This was the vase. And what I did was just, didn't want it real busy. I got the blue roses from Walmart for $1. 97 cents actually, and then I got some of the baby's breath. And I'm going to put this together in this vase. I'm not even cutting it. Erase this up just a little bit. So I'm putting it together in this vase here, and I'm not cutting it apart or anything. What I'm doing basically is just kind of putting the baby's breath kind of inside, outside, so it look like a little spray. I'm going to finish placing these around. And because I don't like to be able to see through the vase, these are the glass marbles. And I randomly place these around the table. And the rest of them, I'm just going to go ahead and fill the vase up. I'm going to finish off with this home sign that I usually keep on my buffet, but the color is just right. It matches perfectly. And we are home. So this is an overcap on how these thrifted items really came out nice. Very coastal, yet soft, not overpowering, with the neutrals, the naturals, the soft blues, and with a pop of the dark blue here. And what I absolutely love about it is that this particular centerpiece can be seen from all 4 directions. I'd like to take this time to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. I hope you're able to pick up some tips on decorating by thrifting. You'd be surprised how much money you can save, and you can still get the wow factor that you're looking for. So at this time, I just like to, for those that are tuning in and that haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe if this is content that you think you'd be interested in. And also, please feel free to give me a thumbs up and go ahead and share. Leave a comment. Let me know, what your colors would be. I like the more of the softer tones, like the lighter colors and the calming of the natural colors, but let me know what would be some of the colors that you would be using. And also let me know if you like the tablescape. All right. So I just like to thank everyone for tuning in. I'm praying, working against this light here, praying that you have a blessed day. Know that I love you. And I pray that, everything works the way you've planned it to work for this summer. Okay. This is a summer look for me, like a summer look that I can use pretty much anytime. All right. So thank you. God bless.